What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This morning we are in Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom. Yay! Who's excited? You excited?
I am super excited.
So this morning we got up bright and early. Feel like we're pros. It's day 3 for Michael and I, day 2 for Fairy Godmother Aunt Rosie, and I feel like we're getting a hold of this whole Genie Plus thing. So at 6:59, I was refreshing the iPhone like a mad woman and got us our first ride reservation for, what was it? The Runaway Train? Runaway Train. So we've got reservations at 9 a.m. for that, which means we have to go in between anywhere from 9 to 10 a.m. So super excited. That'll be our first ride. And today we are going to see the 50th anniversary castle, which I'm even more excited about because for the last 6 months back home in Australia, we've been working with Disney on creating the painting and doing events to celebrate the 50th, and now we get to see it in person. So super excited. Aunt Rosie, what are you most excited about?
Well, I'm just excited to walk through the gates right in the beginning and see all the characters walking around all day, and I'm going to be on absolutely wonderful rides. The Thunder Mountain.
Thunder Mountain, that's it. Yeah.
We're going to do Thunder Mountain. Looking forward to that.
And who's your favorite character you're most excited to see?
I can't wait to see Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell.
Because this wonderful place that we're staying at, I am in Peter Pan room.
Oh, that's right.
My bedroom is Peter Pan.
That's right. So
Tinkerbell's flying around.
that's right. So if you haven't seen that vlog yet, I'll link it down below. It's the Airbnb we're staying at is beautifully done up in all Disney and Universal theme, and my Fairy Godmother's room just so happens to be painted and designed as Peter Pan. So good choice. I like that.
Peter Pan,
And
I like them.
then hubby and I's room is decked out in Cinderella, so hopefully we get to see Cinderella today. But we want to take you along for the ride, so if you want to see more, keep watching. All right, once you get to the Magic Kingdom via either car and parking in the parking lot or taking the bus, you can either choose to get on the boat, the steamboat that takes you across the water to the Magic Kingdom, or the monorail. We chose the monorail to be able to go through the hotel and see the castle from a distance up high. And at the end of the night, we're going to take the steamboat on the way back to the parking lot so we can see the whole lake lit up at night. Look, you can see the castle in the distance. Be sure you stop and take some photos in front of that iconic castle. There's always cast members there to either take a professional or one with your camera. Check out ours. Want to make your trip just extra special? You can make reservations and book in at Cinderellas Castle. Breakfast will cost you $62 per adult US and $37 per child. Lunch and dinner are $75 per adult and $45 per child. And you get to meet characters. All right, up next, my hubby's favorite ride, It's a Small World. So some fun facts about this ride. It actually premiered the first time ever in 1964 in New York at the World's Fair. The attraction did so well and sold over 10 million ride tickets back then. And it was 95 cents per ride and 60 cents for children. So it did so well, Walt ended up moving it into Disneyland in LA, and it's been a cult classic ever since. Another really fun fact I like about this ride that most people don't know is there's over 300 dolls representing all different countries from around the world. Have you been on this ride? What's your favorite country, or what different dolls do you like the most? I really love these Parisian girls. dancing, and it's really fun to go by and see like the kangaroo and the koala representing Australia. But there's just so many different beautiful dolls and countries that are represented. It's quite neat. But I think my favorite fun fact about this ride is when the ride was first conceived, it was called Children of the World. And Walt Disney himself actually flew in children from all the different countries and had them bring water from their different countries to put in the river on the ride. So that's pretty neat.
You two having fun?
Yeah, we're having a great time.
What ride did we just do?
It's a small world.
Small world after all.
Whose favorite ride is a Small World?
Michael's.
Do you like it?
And I'm right behind Michael. I like it a lot.
You do?
I do.
Why is it your favorite?
See the world.
You see the world. It's not those French girls flashing their skirts.
Oh, you know, hey. My secret's out.
All right. Well, I got you a little present.
It's not a little skirt, is it? From France.
Yeah, you're gonna match me.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's see. Would you like me to hold your phone while you open it?
That's why I got it now.
Okay. There's something really nice in there. Take the phone.
Ah, cool. That looks great.
There's your ride. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's really good. I like that.
And my memory.
There's our ornament for this year, your favorite ride.
Thanks, sweetheart.
You're welcome. Mwah. Good job, Aunt Rosie. Teamwork. Nice work.
Next up, Frontierland. Now, if you're an adventure seeker like us, definitely head over to try out this fantastic roller coaster, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. I was not sure how my fairy godmother was going to respond to this ride, as I don't think I've ever been on a roller coaster with her before. But she handled it like a pro.
That was so good.
Exit on your right, everyone.
Okay, so one of my favorite things that's a must-do when you're going to the Disney parks is get PhotoPass. I know it's $70 a day, but it's worth it. You get so many incredible photos, and they add a little extra magic, like you see here with Woody. How cute. All right, when you want to take a break from the rides, I suggest going to the Ye Olde Christmas Shop. You can find all year round some of the best Christmas ornaments and Christmas decor. I love this store because I have a tradition where everywhere I've traveled around the world, I always buy a Christmas ornament. So it makes it fun every year when you're getting all of your Christmas decorations out and you're pulling each individual ornament out and placing it on the tree and just remembering that fantastic time you've had from that place you traveled to. So this store has just about everything, and there are quite a few ornaments that we did pick up. And the sad part was, one of the cast members told us, this is the first week of January and you're seeing all of this Christmas stuff. The cast members told me they just got this stuff in within a couple days prior. So it actually missed the Christmas season due to what's going on with COVID. So that was pretty sad, but hey, their loss was our gain because we got some pretty cool Christmas stuff. Now we must hurry up because we're late for a very important ride, the Mad Hatter Tea Party. I get dizzy just watching other people spin. So I love going on this ride, but like that cup right there, can't do it. Would make me sick. Did you know that at all the Disney parks, it's not called the Mad Hatter ride? So it's Alice's Tea Party in Tokyo. And in the new Shanghai park, it's actually a Winnie the Pooh honeypot that you spin around in. I loved that one, but definitely I'm not courageous.
We're going crazy. Crazy teacup, ladies and gentlemen.
Would you go on this ride, or have you gone on this ride? And if so, do you like spinning out of control, or do you stop the wheel and just relax and enjoy the ride? Comment down below. On to one of my favorite rides in Tomorrowland, the Carousel of Progress. So when you're in Tomorrowland, this ride is great because you can get out of the sun, sit back and relax for 20 minutes in the air condition in the dark, and just listen to this fantastic story that Walt created about a family all throughout the turn of the century and how much progress we've made.
Big screen. We have almost 8,000 automobiles in this country, and we can travel by train from New York to California in less than 7 days. And I even hear tell about two brothers from North Carolina who are working on some kind of flying contraption. It'll never work. Closer to
Now, the
home.
cool thing about this ride was, again, it was at the World's Fair, seen for the first time in 1964. Then it got moved to Disneyland, but it made its final move to Walt Disney World in 1975, and it's been there ever since. So I definitely recommend, if you have not been to Magic Kingdom, or if you've not tried this ride, definitely give it a go. You can kick up your feet, relax, enjoy the air, and the song is really catchy as well. All right, once you're done dancing to the parade, head over to the Main Street Confectionery. Follow your nose through the old-fashioned candy shop and be delighted with some of the most beautiful treats you've ever seen. So they have Mickey-shaped caramel apples, they have Rice Krispie treats, and we all know Disney does it best. So if you have a sweet tooth, this is definitely somewhere you want to stop. All the treats ranged from anywhere from $3 up to about $12 or $13 a treat. Look at those caramel apples. Aunt Rosie grabbed herself a big bag of colorful popcorn, but hubby and I unfortunately were stuffed from our big yummy Mickey waffles we had a bit earlier. All right, ghouls and girls, it's time for the Haunted Mansion. Hope you're not afraid of the dark. or scare easily. I just tried to scare Aunt Rosie. Something really unique about the Haunted Mansion is it's actually in a different land in each park. So here in Disney World, it's actually in Liberty Square. But if you go to Disneyland in LA, it's in New Orleans Square. And if you go over to Disney Paris or Tokyo, it's actually in Fantasyland. But over there, it's called Fantasy or Phantom Manor. My favorite one, though, hands down, is the one in Hong Kong. It's called Mystic Manor, and it's in Fantasyland, and it's themed with no references of ghosts or goblins or anything like that.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. Listen.
Let there be music from regions beyond.
One of my other favorite rides is the Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. This also holds a special place in my heart. My father, since I was born, always called me Pooh Bear. And so I've always been obsessed with Winnie the Pooh. And now it's almost like I'm surrounded by all the characters from Winnie the Pooh. So my best friend, Ben, we actually call him Pooh Bear. And one of my other really good friends, Sen, he refers to himself as Tigger. And I have a little Frenchie with the cutest ears, and so we call her Little Piglet. So this ride is super adorable, fun, colorful, bright and vibrant. But I'll tell you what, if you've traveled to any other Disney parks, I can tell you that the one in Tokyo is hands down the best Winnie the Pooh ride. It glides across the track like the new Ratatouille. It is just so high tech and fun. That's hands down my favorite Pooh ride. So if you haven't been to Disneyland Tokyo, highly recommend putting that on your bucket list because it is one of our favorite Disney parks, hands down. All right, it's our final ride of the night before we go see the new amazing fireworks. So we decided to go on Dumbo, and I was trying to explain to my aunt how the ride actually works. So I was showing her how the controls can let you go up and down, and I let her drive. So you can see it gets a bit fun going around in circles. But hubby's obviously in the one in front of us, and Aunt Rosie and I were living our best lives, laughing at Michael the whole time. But this ride was so much fun, and I just loved every second of it, and watching her face smile and laugh and get a kick out of Dumbo going up and down. It was so adorable and such a great ride to end the night. Now, no night would be complete at the Magic Kingdom without watching the fireworks. This year's new fireworks, Enchantment, was beautiful. The castle is just to the whole next level. It doesn't even do it justice in these videos and photos. I really do hope they keep it this way from now on. But if you see, all the different characters will come up on the screen, and it tells such a beautiful story. I really wish I could let the music play and you can experience the whole thing, but unfortunately, obviously, it's copyrighted. So that being said, enjoy a little bit of the fireworks. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss any of the shenanigans we're getting into. And be sure to like this video and comment. What was your favorite part? Any questions? I'm all ears. Have a magical day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next video where we head to Animal Kingdom. Cheers, big ears.